All right, friends, it's a hot day in Tennessee, and on the Sawmill today, we got something I've not done in a long time on this channel. But this is black walnut. I think it's 10 feet long. Important part of this log, friends, right here we have the crotch. If you're new to this channel, that's where the highly figured wood is always hiding. That's what people love to see, and it looks really good as tabletops. We sawing this at 9/4 on the thickness. If you're new to this channel, that means 2 1/4 inches on the thickness. Down on the sawmill head, we'll run the Silver Tip Turbo 7. I get those from Maine down in Georgia.